Hi, it's Sam from Reno Trades. Today we're at Revive Bathrooms, one of our preferred suppliers. Come on through so I can show you around. After your initial consultation, we'll welcome you back to the Revive Bathrooms Showroom, where we can explore a wide range of products. With the expert guidance of the Reno Trades and Revive Bathrooms teams, we'll work within your budget to design a custom package that suits your needs. All our products are sourced from trusted companies and come with warranties of up to 20 years and truly exceptional after-sales care.
Hi, my name's Karen. I'm the Assistant Manager here at Revive Bathroom Supplies. We work closely with Sam and his team at Reno Trades when he brings his clients through here, and we help tailor a bathroom package that'll suit their needs. Reno Trades are one of our key partners. Here at Revive Bathroom Supplies, we pride ourselves on our customer service. We go above and beyond to make sure the customer is happy. We are also a one-stop shop for all your needs for your bathrooms, kitchens and laundries.
If you're looking for a bathroom renovation and want to see what the team at Reno Trades and Revive Bathrooms can do for you, contact us today.